catch for season, well, summer season. We catch 3 big fish and about 7 small ones. So I cook three big fish them right now. I'm showing how I prepare and all of that. So, hola, konnichiwa, niha, assalamu alaikum, sapuse, and we're going for everybody else. Cause we're there, we're about to cook with Bossed. And anybody who feel like someone to do this, never plan on my mind. I tell me right now. Every week more I put out at least 3 vlogs, right? I don't know which day or which order. One day apart. So every other day, right? So this is home, and then weekends me just chill, maybe vlog, then upload that. But this is what I want to do. Let me telling this story about that after. But so what I want to do is a cooking vlog, going to the gym vlog, and a billboard vlog. That are my 3 vlogs that I want to do during the week. So every week me I cook some different stuff, either Jamaican cuisine or American cuisine or Italian cuisine. Anybody know? Me really me like cook pasta. Me know why, but you know me I try something different, you know. But yeah, if you agree with that, just leave a comment down below and give this video a like. But right now we're about to cook. Chef Bossed, yeah.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Already seasoned all of it. Ingredients in. They already cut up and all that. I'm about to show them that part right now. Put the butter in there, make it go and cook down. You know, you put in the fish and then the crackers and then, you know something. I already like me pre-season it, so we didn't even put more salt in it because you know salt is good for you and then high blood pressure and all that. So you know some unhealthy. But yeah, anyways, yeah, over there. We're going to cook. Hey Nashan, say hi.
Hi!
Alright, so that was Nashan. Over there. We're going to build back. The all-purpose Maggi. I'll throw a little bit more in there. Let's see if you get a little bit more flavor with that water. Nashan, alright. Nashan help me out right now. I'm getting all that seasoning. I'm not going to put any more in there though. Ooh, be careful. Thank you. Thank you. High five. Yeah. That's another way out everything. So now we're gonna make that cook a little bit. Yeah. Then we can, when that cook done, taste it. I just add the fish them, and then little secret, something we always put in there. We know Jamaicans and we put it in there all the time. Yeah, that little, yeah, I show one in them, you know? Alright, so we just come back in. I took off some of the water and I left some in there, and we just put the crackers them in there. We just stand on back the stove, probably run out for a bit. So now I'm gonna pour this back in there so it ain't in there. The crackers can get that little, you know? And then I'm gonna make it bubble up. And then my son show when we finish product. Well, I tell you, say crackers ain't going there, you know, so that is it. Alright, show 'em. Whew.
For me, yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be a paradise.
Tell you now it come out. I'm not gonna tell no lie because of me cook it. But me tell you now it come out. And shout out to JR who thinks I could cook. Right. Big up yourself. Big up to all of the haters who don't believe that me cook this today. And big up all who never have WhatsApp and believe that never me cook the chicken and me fried. Alright. So I just done conquered. And listen, it was amazing. It tastes good. Oh, it tastes, Shana? Alright, it tastes good. I don't mean I say because you see a bone left. And the crackers are really delicious. Yeah, right now I feel like I get your itis. You know, after you done eat one piece of waiting, a piece of tiredness just box up. Yeah, so that is me try to do this new thing, you know? Nashan. Alright. So yeah. Me I went in this. Me I try to do this new thing, which it means at least 3 vlog or 2 vlog a week. It's random days when time I feel like upload them. And sometimes I try to upload them and the processing. So when you get it, you get it. So it's 2 every week. You don't hold me up to that, right? And yeah. Me know, me there talk to the camera. How you been? How your day going? How your night going? How your morning going? Whatever time you're watching this. Shout out to the strong 8 people who keep on watching the videos week after week after week. And everybody else, thank you for watching. Yes! Alright. So yeah, thank you for watching and blessings on the Most High each and every time. Jah God and God God and Allah God and whoever you be, Buddha God. If you believe that is your belief. Jah, Rastafari, God God. Yeah? Next time.